The development of Turkey's first fifth-generation fighter aircraft has reached a new phase. The second KAAN prototype has entered the system integration stage. According to Ulu Savunma, the two new prototypes, currently undergoing advanced assembly, are being built with improved internal systems, drawing from flight data collected during the two successful test flights of the initial P0 prototype conducted in 2024. TUSAS confirmed that the system integration work is now underway on the final assembly line. As part of the KAAN National Combat Aircraft Program, these milestones move Turkey closer to fielding an indigenous stealth-capable jet, designed to eventually replace the Turkish Air Force's fleet of aging F-16s. The first flight of the enhanced prototypes is expected during the second quarter of 2026, the company said. TUSAS is manufacturing the aircraft on a dedicated production line, which vertically assembles major components such as the 14-meter wing and the center fuselage section, which weighs approximately 3.3 metric tons. Company officials indicated that the Ankara factory currently has capacity to produce up to 8 aircraft per year, but they are reviewing options for scaling up to support full-rate production. Initial Turkish Air Force requirements reportedly call for 148 KAAN aircraft, although it remains unclear whether that figure includes the 48 aircraft ordered by Indonesia or represents a domestic baseline only. The Block 10 variant, scheduled to begin service in 2029, is expected to enter the fleet with a limited flight envelope, which will be expanded through continued testing and software development. The full-scale production aircraft will feature advanced avionics, stealth characteristics, and compatibility with Turkey's indigenous air-to-air and air-to-ground munitions. The fighter is intended to operate alongside, and eventually replace, foreign-designed platforms in the Turkish inventory. KAAN is not just a fighter jet. It's the product of a national aerospace ecosystem, said TUSAS executive Tolga Demirolu, speaking during an industry panel on August 29. We may not be the first to develop a sixth-generation fighter, but we will be a pioneer. TAI is in the PhD stage of its life, doing something it has never done before. Demirolu confirmed that TUSAS has already begun exploring sixth-generation fighter requirements. However, the immediate focus remains on bringing KAAN into serial production, validating its performance through testing, and ensuring interoperability with Turkish and allied air defense systems. The KAAN program reflects Turkey's growing emphasis on sovereign defense technologies. By developing a fully indigenous fifth-generation platform, Ankara seeks to reduce reliance on foreign suppliers while positioning itself as a capable aerospace exporter.